Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Roamless Mobility eSIM honest review. Is it worth it? Roamless Mobility eSIM is a newer pay-as-you-go global option that works in over 195 countries, and for many travelers, it's becoming a reliable pick. Setup is quick with just one QR code, and the standout feature is its flexible wallet. Add as little as $5 once, and your funds never expire, no matter when or where you travel. Pricing is competitive, starting around $2.45 per gigabyte in well-covered regions like Europe, the US, and Southeast Asia. Though costs can rise to about $4 in remote areas, it even offers in-app voice calling for bookings or check-ins at just a cent per minute. But here's a trade-off. No local number or SMS yet. Coverage can be inconsistent in parts of Africa and Asia, and heavy data users may find fixed unlimited plans more cost-effective. So is it worth it? If you're a light or flexible traveler who values transparency and global reach, Roamless is a smart and budget-friendly choice. For data-hungry trips in one region, the alternatives may serve you better. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.